Good morning, students. Today we will learn our math subjects from numbers 1 to 100 workbook. Okay? So let's open the page number 22. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. We already learnt about shapes, square, triangle, circle and rectangle. We will just revise that topics. Okay? Color all the squares with blue, triangle with red, circle with yellow and rectangle with green crayons. Okay? So first of all, you have to take a blue color and fill the blue color in all square. Fill the square with blue color. Fill the square with blue color. Okay? Now triangles red. So you have to fill all the triangle shapes with red color. Triangle and triangle. Okay? Now circles with yellow color. So now you have to fill all circles with yellow color. Circle and circle. And last one is rectangle. You have to fill all the rectangles with green color. Rectangle and rectangle. Okay? So you have to finish the page number 22. Now we will learn a new topics. Page number 23. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. Sorting. What is the meaning of sorting? To put things into different groups or places according to their types. Okay? So, first of all, we have to sorting brinjal. How many brinjal in this picture? First, we will count it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 brinjals. So, we will be writing the number 7 in this box. Okay? Now, we will be counting the carrot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 carrots. Okay? And how many cabbage are there? Only 1 cabbage. So we will be writing the number 1 in this box. Okay? Once again, we will count banana. How many bananas are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 bananas. So, we will be write the number 6 here. Okay? Strawberry. How many strawberry? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 strawberries. And how many flowers? 1, 2. 2 flowers. For more practice, you have to finish the page number 23 as classwork and homework. Turn the page. Page number 24. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. More, less, same. Match and write. Okay? So, first of all, we match the picture. 1 star, 1 strawberry. 2 star, 2 strawberry and 3 star, 3 strawberry. Match like this way. Okay? Now, the stars are more. Because here only 3 strawberries. stars are more. So we will be writing the M for more and L for less. Okay? 1 1, match 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, 8 8. The pastries and the sun's pictures are same. Okay, so we will be writing S for same and S for same. Okay, once again we will match the picture. Match like this way. Now here there are no more gifts, and here the circle is more. The gifts are less. So we will be writing L for less here and M for more here. Okay. For more practice, you have to finish the page number 24. This is classwork and homework. Now, page number 25. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. Fill in the missing numerals. Numerals means numbers. Okay. 3. After 3, which number will be coming? 4. After 4, the number 5 will be coming. 6 are already written here. So after 6, the 7 number will be coming. 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2. After 2, the number 3 will be coming. Then number 4 will be coming. The number 5 will already written. So after 5, number 6 will be coming. After 5, the number 6 will be coming. Then number 7 will be coming. Number 8 is already written here. So after 8, the number 9 will be coming. 1. After 1, the number 2 will be coming. Then 3. After 3, the number 4 will be coming. After 4, the number 5 will be coming. 6, 7. After 7, the number 8 will be coming. 9, and after 9, the number 10 will be coming. But here, the number 10 has 2 digits number. So we will write 1 here and 0 is in second box. Okay? For more practice, you have to finish the page number 25. Now, turn the page number 26. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. Draw objects to show the number value. Okay? Which number is this? 2. Number 2. So we will be drawing a picture, means object. Okay? 1 circle and 2 circle. Okay? Because here number 2. 5. So we will be drawing triangle. Okay, 5 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 7. Now we will be drawing 7 square. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4. So we will be drawing 4 rectangle. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For more practice, you have to finish page number 26. Page number 27, write the date here, 25 September 2020. Count and color the numbers of objects in each row. Here, which number is this? 6. So, I colored in 6 heart. Okay, I fill the heart with orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which number is this? 3. So, you have to fill the 3 square with color. Okay. 10. So, you have to fill the triangle. 10 triangle. Okay. And at last 5. So, you have to fill 5 circle. Okay. For more practice, you have to finish the page number 27. Open the page number 40 in same workbook. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. Count and write the numerals. We already learned about counting and writing the numerals. Okay? It's just revision. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The number 19 has 2 digits number. So, you have to write the number 1 here and 9 is in second box. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The same way you have to write number 12, 1 here and 2 here. Okay? Because 12 has 2 digits number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Okay, for more practice, you have to finish the page number 40. Page number 41, write the date here, 25 September 2020. Count and match the numeral. First of all, you have to count these strawberries. How many strawberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Now, you have to find out the number 19. Then, match the picture of strawberry with its number. Okay? Like this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, you have to match this picture with its number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, you have to match this picture with the number 15. For more practice, you have to finish this page. Page number 41. Turn the page. Page number 42. Write the date here, 25 September 2020. Count and circle the numeral. First of all, you have to count this strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Then you have to circle on number 19. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So, circle on number 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, circle on number 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So circle on number 15. For more practice, you have to finish the page number 42.